Welcome back to Navigar Bisaya. If you're new to this channel, I'm Robert, and today we will talk about the Google Classroom and how to transfer our classroom environment now to a Google Classroom. So, listen and learn. Creating a Google Classroom is just 3 clicks away. But to transfer our learning environment now to a Google Classroom needs a lot of preparation. So this video will show you how to prepare to transfer our learning environment now to a Google Classroom. If you like to use Google Classroom as an instructor of Maritime, then you must have this information ready before creating a classroom. So let's discuss about this information. And all of the forms used here is on the description with a link that you can download later. So let's start. So this information is already given to you by the school when you have your class load. So the class name, description, section, number, the course code also. You have already that one on the syllables. And then in the Google Classroom, this is the options that you must select based on your policy. The grading system, also in the syllables, this is just a sample in order that when you start giving an assignment, you can categorize your examination, quizzes, research during the creation of the assignment. So from the syllables also, you have your course outcome, prelim, midterm, semifinals, finals. In Google Classroom, it is the topic modules. Also, references. In online education, you must prepare your student that when he or she will join the classroom, there are information that he can read, he can download from the beginning of the class until the end of the class. So this information is very essential for the student to know what are their assignment because it is an online. So another information, classwork structures, your topics, course outcome, learning outcomes, activities, assessment, evaluation must be declared to the student. That's why you need to have this uploaded on the classroom. Outcomes, the assessment, how they are evaluated, and how you feedback them. And also the important in online education is the date the student complete or submit certain assignment. From your syllables, learning outcomes, activities, assessment, it must be ready because this document is your basis on what type of activity you will be creating on the classroom. From outcome 1, outcome 4, this is only a sample. Midterm module, semifinal module, and final module. You must be ready on this before opening a classroom because you will upload all information before using the classroom. The student must be informed regarding this document upon joining the class. For Google activities, you convert those learning outcomes, activities, assessment to a Google Classroom format. That's why we have another video for this, how to make these activities. So prepare these essentials before you create a Google Classroom. These are some of the samples of the activities that you will make. The teacher, you have to make the assignment on the Google Classroom. There are various classes of assignment which we will discuss on a separate video. Student will do, teacher will do, and how to. That's we will. It's one video on how to make the activities on the classroom. Remember, download these forms in the description that I included on this video. Have this information ready before you start creating your Google Classroom.